Welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy Lifestyle with Saira. In today's video, I am going to discuss some surprising health benefits of drinking Amla juice. Amla fruit is high in vitamin C and antioxidants and is extremely beneficial to our overall health. According to a study, Amla has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help to prevent seasonal flu and infections. It is also beneficial for our skin and hair because of its hydrating properties. Overall, amla is a superfood that should be included in your regular diet. Let's have a look at most important health benefits of amla juice in detail. Amla is rich in vitamin C. Amla is packed with vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties. Drinking amla juice in the morning can give your immune system a significant boost, helps to fight off infections, and promote overall health. Amla has anti-inflammatory properties. Amla contains anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce inflammation in the body and potentially alleviate symptoms of chronic health conditions. Regular consumption of amla may even help with reducing joint pain and swelling. Amla supports in digestion. Amla juice is also known for aiding digestion by stimulating the secretion of gastric juices and improving nutrient absorption. This can help prevent digestive issues like indigestion, acidity, and constipation. Amla helps to boost metabolism. As amla is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, that is why drinking amla juice on an empty stomach may particularly boost metabolism, which can be beneficial for weight management and weight loss efforts. Amla is good for liver health. Many studies show that amla can protect the liver from damage. Regular consumption of amla ensures that the ill effects of alcohol are warded off. It prevents the oxidative damage that is typically caused by most alcoholic beverages and other toxins. Amla helps to reduce pigmentation. Consuming amla can help reduce skin damage caused by free radicals and prevent blemishes and pigmentation. Skin issues arise due to presence of harmful toxins in the body, which are flushed out with amla. Amla helps you manage blood sugar level. For individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition, amla juice may help balance blood sugar levels. Amla juice promotes heart health. Amla is also known to lower cholesterol level and improve heart health, reducing the risk of heart diseases, all thanks to its high fiber and presence of antioxidants like polyphenols. Amla juice helps to fight out cancer. The antioxidant rich amla has amazing benefits in fighting cancer. It can restrict the growth of carcinogenic cells and hence has various medical applications. It reduces cell damage and works as a potent tool in preventing cancer. Amla is good for skin. The high vitamin C content in amla juice can improve skin health by promoting collagen production and protecting against skin damage from ultraviolet rays, which results in healthier and more radiant skin. Amla juice can improve hair growth. Amla is also known for promoting hair health. Drinking amla juice can strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair loss, and improve the overall quality and texture of your hair. Amla helps to boost immunity. Due to its vitamin C content, amla is also known to boost the immune system. Regular consumption of amla can strengthen your defense mechanisms, making you stronger in to fight against infections and illnesses. Amla juice helps to improve your gallbladder health. Amla can prevent the formation of gallbladder stones. Consuming amla regularly can reduce the chance of cholesterol buildup, which is the key cause of bladder stones. By converting cholesterol into bile, it keeps the gallbladder functioning well. Amla juice helps to reduce stress. Amla has adaptogenic properties, which means that it can help reduce stress and improve mental clarity. It helps to improve the body's response to emotional and physical stress. Amla juice helps to improve our eyesight. Amla is a source of vitamin A, which is great for good vision. Regular consumption of amla juice can contribute to better eye health and reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Now at the end I am going to explain how to make amla juice at home. Ingredients that you need to make amla juice at home are 5 to 6 amla, ginger, honey and water. And the procedure of making amla juice is wash the amla thoroughly and chop them into small pieces, removing the seeds. Step number 2 is blend amla pieces with water to make a smooth foam. In step 3, once it is done, add ginger and honey according to your taste and blend once more. And the last step is strain the juice to remove any pulp and seeds. Your amla juice is ready now. This is all about the health benefits of using amla juice. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And for any health related question and query, you can ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.